Hi, I'm Heggy. I like to talk about DOM versus BOM. DOM is a document object model, and here are two really great resources where I learned what DOM is. On the right here, this is the O'Reilly page. First resource I've listed. It has a great picture of tree-like structure. And my one sentence definition for DOM would be tree-like structure that browser recreates behind the scene whenever you upload an HTML file onto your window. So let's try to look at a browser that has HTML file that's uploaded to a window. And let's see what browser has done to recreate this tree-like structure. Here we go. So now this is a tree-like structure because there's a hierarchy. Whenever you click on this, you can see layers. I want to show you how to walk around inside of DOM, giving you one example. There's a vocabulary that people use a lot. It's traverse. That means walk. And here's a really good sentence that uses that. So people usually say traversing up through the DOM. Another column is a pseudo class. It's a CSS way to call certain children. And I'm going to be using it today. And inner HTML is another thing I'll be using that changes the content from the console. Okay, so first I'm going to go to console, click on this to clear things out. And let's go back to Elements tab. This is DOM. And click on this. And I want to change that add choices content to say hello now. So if you click on that, select an element, then click on that, it takes you straight in there. So I want to use the nth child. So first I want to grab the parent, his footer column left. And this is what you see on the top div dot footer column left is the format you want to use to call it, to grab it. So let's try just first grabbing that part. So console, go back to console tab, and you're gonna call that document. The document is this whole thing. Now you have access to that. And I'm gonna use query selector. Then I'm gonna div, what's that? Div footer column dot left. Div footer column dot left. Then this always has to be inside of a string, so remember to put quotation marks. Here you go. Now you're successfully grabbing that footer left. All right, we want to take that add choice, and under there, there's an anchor tag, and add choice content is right there. So I want to change that. I'm going to be using inner HTML and set it equal to high. Okay, so how do I traverse through the DOM here? Okay, so I'm going to first set that to add choice. And there you go. Document query selector, and that's the same exact part here from the up above. And now I'm adding a little more to select the children. It's the fourth child of the footer column left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then inside there, I want to get that anchor. So now I'm getting just that sentence right here. Click on that. And I'm going to double check it's getting the right line. There we go. So they got the add choices. So now I'm going to use add choice.innerHTML. Hello. Click on that. And now you can see on here has updated to hello. Then I want you to go and find a website of your choice and try this on your own. Or just pick another one, like terms, and see if you can change this one. The terms to, I don't know, buy, for instance. Thank you.